I just did the math, and this box is worth $337. How far back can I scoot here? This far back. Okay, perfect. I need to add more to this background because right now it's just my computer, and you can see like my little, see that? See, not where I'm pointing. Well, now you can see that. That's a little window squeegee I have because my room has moisture issues. I have very old windows that collect condensation and it gets very messy. Anyway, hi guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time if you're new. I have a Fab Fit Fun unboxing to share with you guys. I am not sponsored by Fab Fit Fun, but you know, if Fab Fit Fun wants to sponsor somebody that has less than 10,000 subscribers, then I'm your girl. This is the summer box. I do remember customizing a couple of the items. Not the word. But I don't remember what it was. I thought these were my scissors. That's my phone. These are my scissors. Oh my gosh, look at it! And I'm wearing orange, and this is orange. I did not plan that. Let's open it up. Okay. Bit of everything. Let's turn you guys this way. That's good. That's good. I never thought of this. So smart. Okay, we have our little magazine here. I am not going to completely look through this because I don't know what that's going to tell me. We have a wine credit. I don't drink wine. I cook with wine, but when I buy wine to cook with, I get like the bottom shelf stuff because I'm not gonna spend like a ton of money. Okay, sometimes eye level shelf. Let's rip this guy open. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty! So pretty, look at all this stuff! Ooh. Thanks. I have this Isaac Mizrahi vase. I just said I have to add more to this background. Maybe this could be in my background. Ew. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! So the company is XO Sienna, and Isaac Mizrahi is a fashion designer, if you do not know, and he designed this vase for XO Sarah. I said Sarah, XO Sienna, I can't remember things. But how cute is this little vase? It's adorable. Oh, I'm gonna love putting flowers in here. Alright, the next thing, this is what I wanted. The ice roller. Where's my scissors? So this is an ice roller for your face and body. I'm really excited about it. I've been seeing Nicole Guerrero use it constantly. Not this one, but one off of Amazon. Hopefully this one is good so I don't have to buy the Amazon one. This one is definitely smaller because hers like takes up her whole face. Although my face is smaller, not smaller, bigger, much bigger than hers. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Ice roller. Enjoy the benefits of cold therapy with this extremely convenient tool by Zoe Ayla. The Zoe Ayla or Zoe Ayla. Gets rid of puffy eyes, redness, tightens and rejuvenates skin, achieves radiant, glowing skin in just minutes. Key benefits. Help to reduce pore size and improve skin tone, brighten under eye circles, reduce the appearance of blemishes and fine lines, promotes fluid flushing in the face. Also known as like lymphatic drainage. So basically all you do is just, you roll it. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. I'm getting makeup all over it. It's okay, it's mine. Oh, it wasn't even in the freezer, it's just in my room. And it's so nice and cold. Do I have to put it in the freezer? Yes, leave your ice roller in the freezer for 4 or more hours before use. Roll it over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. Oh, this feels so nice, especially with summer coming. If you guys don't want to buy this one, I will link another one in the description box. The one that Nicole Guerrero, one of my favorite YouTubers, uses, and her skin looks amazing. And so I see what she's doing and I do it. The next item I have, I'm so excited for. This is the Dr. Brandt DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This is my first time I'm I love eye creams. I love any anti-aging stuff because I am constantly trying to make sure that I do not age. Or probably age even less if I like went vegan or something. But I like cheese. The next item in this box is this makeup drop. This looks neat. It's a makeup sponge with this little silicone part at the front. That looks pretty cool. I didn't like the silly sponge at all, but this feels a lot better than that. Plus it's also a more traditional beauty blender type of sponge. This doesn't feel like the beauty blender. This feels more dense, kind of like an eraser but squishy. It does not say to use this wet. The directions say apply a small amount of product directly to the silicone side, that is this flat part. Dab, draw, or sculpt makeup onto face and blend out edges with sponge side. Add smile. Don't tell me what to do, box. The next item I have here is this I don't know how to say that. Spongela. It's a hand cream, coconut verbena scented, fused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. That's really nice. I really love macadamia oil and argan oil. Those are two oils that I use on my hair. Tiny little bit. Actually, I could take more than that. I'm gonna put it on my hands anyway. It's nice. Should have put more. Oh, but it smells good. Next, I have, ooh, Winky Lux. I love Rinky. Wow. I love Winky Lux. Unibrow? What? It says Winky Lux Unibrow. I think they meant, yeah, as in a universal shade, but not unibrow, which I've had. This is a universal brow pencil. Very pretty packaging. Not necessarily the kind of packaging I like for makeup, because like gold is just, it's a lot. On one side is a spoolie, the other side is your pencil, and it's like one of those teardrop shapes. There's the color. It looks good. I can definitely use that. All right, I have two more items to share with you guys, and then that will be it. What are you? It's a Michael Kors item. I've never owned anything that's Michael Kors. So this is very impressive. How much does this cost? That's pretty cool. It looks like a passport case. I used to work for an airline, so I should know this. Regardless, it's really cool. Very pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it for myself or put it aside to give away as a gift. This is worth $78 on its own. And each box is $50. I don't travel often at all, and I know somebody who would probably benefit from this a lot more than I would, and she would really appreciate having a Michael Kors thing. So I'm gonna hold off and give this to her. She's probably not gonna get it until Christmas, but you know, it's okay. And lastly, ooh, Kate Somerville. Oh my goodness. I've only tried her salicylic acid treatment because I have adult acne and I loved it. So I'm really hoping that I'm going to like this goat milk moisturizing cream. Yes, this sounds so good. The packaging is so cute. Look at it. Look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells really nice. Very fresh, very clean. I like it. I'm gonna dab a little bit on my hand. I'm a sucker for that shade of blue or lilac, lavender, whatever. It's pretty. This is so moisturizing and it's thin, so I feel like it's going to sink into the skin really well. Oh, this feels really nice. How much is this? Because I didn't even buy the salicylic acid treatment. I got it as a, what do you call it? A sample. And after I used a sample for a few days, I was like, okay, this is really good. I want to buy it. And then I looked online and it's like a ridiculous amount of money. It's like 80 something, I think. Maybe even more than that. I don't know, but it's a lot. So I got one from Target for like $6.99. $65? Oh, I just did the math. And this box is worth $337. That's insane. I paid, I think, just about $200 for the annual subscription. So I've already gotten more than my money's worth, which is pretty freaking incredible. And I love it. I'm so happy. I'm obviously going to use all of it except for the Michael Kors passport thingy, but that will be a great gift. And yeah, that is everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every once in a while right now. I'm trying to do every week. I used to do like 4 videos a week, and right now that's just not where my headspace is at, but I'm trying to be as consistent as possible. Anyway, I have nothing else to say. We're all done here. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Be nice to each other, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.